Mema Oyakwaba ever Dixie's hot news, all time latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. Listowa and Apuku regular panelist on the political talk show. What to be the money? Martin Amidu, Nina special prosecutor Musa Simia, Martin Amidu actual petition at the command the president. Now let's do the filler the great figure. Now Sana Medina Ave Bremo, Mr. Say. So we don't subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Say, over subscribe. What I'll be on say over click the subscribe button now wabele notification we have a video for we upload also once there can be. I feel you are now like video no my thumbs up, give us a thumbs up. Now fee was share my awful so now won't you be now warfare. No who dear Ayɛka so ewo Ghana memoir. I feel young coffee learning young call and some about it to that. Listowa and Apuku what to be the money. Martin Amidu, former special prosecutor, the Hopeson Adorye. Now, Martin Amidu a petition according the president. Nana do Akufo Addo say, Kissi Agyabeng on special prosecutor. You want to consult. It's a young free ho. Then the president so also Aremeyaw Chief Justice. For the petition, Chief Justice, Chief Justice actual Aremeyaw Kissi Agyapong so far na yimra na fi wani hu. Said they wanted a seminal ebe faso. Then the list of Abemoa what to be the money Martin Amidu. Now watch us say Akufo Addo and Kojo Kyeremanteng Amidu echi awane wori kunsa say be ya ye be pamo Kissi that watch us wana komana de mudi as a bribe. This to when account nyame na meka. Watch us say abre yi Martin Amidu free hold no. Kissi that be nsem bi to dia na no susu say anya Martin Amidu de na no na wota kire otan hunu of techire ene watch us okotro sa petition say be ya e bi Kissi Agyapong for. Na list watch us Martin Amidu and some for the Córrupt. I say, Sicily, another pass is in by a scat 3 dear, a photo some near package wouldn't pass it. Then we obey a whole, a woman, a memoir. Yet he said Martin Amidu can once a man. One can once now. So, a year from a president, John Grandman Mahama happens to her, some Martin Amidu the Babon team, a group of pay any mass support all. Any list of 5 year Martin Amidu much any what they fell apart now to the same part list to at the Atuber 5 year Martin Amidu Huna, yes, Samuel, a year list over. Listowa yenti aye ensema wodi etuga ye guti aye listowa ne ensema yenti aye listowa yenti mo amani tua ade a Martin Amidu eningwase akro de forage o Mahama ho se enyanyansani we na beji sa position no ka say this thing is frivolous enka hwe bia nke nam enu nti e no makose Martin Amidu achi now we end this in na obo so say Martin Amidu entro letter na ye fanya den a petition mra na yanyina so ne mo akire ma ye friend say CJ tokonu meboa na tokonu utie ensem anansen wokeka edu ba bia ho kuya no makoka say obi 100.5 obi scandalize mo. You are scandalizing your images. Me who Chief Justice be a friend tokonu a na me ferry because I don't see anything justice about I see injustice. She's not even doing justice to herself and her person. She's a walking injustice. What is justice about her? It's a power or mabo to make sure say because Kissi Agyapong, no matter how, I'll tell you this from afar. Mastedina Unim said I was one of his main critics. Kissi. Ena asembi bae o kai mrebia me ka se omumra na wo me fami na me enko hwehwe ministers bi fie ni nyina kan wo minim de ekoso bia minim because many MPP di agro even when Akufo Addo nom kra na ene no odi power no ene Bawumia de so on de nansenya ene sa Kofi Asante be di atuo ne gabi we nom nyina no ye wo MPP mu no they were nowhere to be found Akufo Addo ye partners and ne kondo and oba be join you na ho keka ode ba ye be ye adwuma o party nim no eno na ema ne be ye organizer wo ye t-shirt de bia meka say bi ade a wa ye menka so wanye say no why de wa ye o ye t-shirt ono ne first person o print MPP t-shirt so we will any contrary viewer o meka because that's what I know na not joining is 96 well or by 92 na mu na before ye be ye party no ye nhyehyeye from 91 e ba no onkan ye ho okay no onkan ye ho because ye make sure say UNC ni bia meka ye ho because omo na boy from 79
PFP.
Okay.
Emma Victor Usu
96 rather.
Of blessed memory. May God bless his soul wherever he is. Nansani Victor Usu. Professor Buzia akwala otete no. Wan timi amaya mampani nyina ye sa amamboyefo we a ba ko ye mampani. Woni ne wo fa pa wuli. No mkote party be friend UNC.
Yeah.
Enti no se wo ye abefo wo ye nemani na wo de sika na ye wo de enti wo de Akufo Addo kura hye afidie a ebeyiwu agu wanimu ase na wo de obekwa akodi akira. Martin Amidu is corrupt. Martin Amidu has been induced to do what he is doing today.
Obibisa said the natural.
I the natural. Busa say a free say ya case Cecilia da pasem. What is Martin Amidu I make a comment. Na sakro no we wonu wan bi da. Ada na jo mama Airbus de no wa no anu na no kakra kasa beef. Anu de no timi de babedem be kan kwase asem. Cecilia da pa ba be se krofo we Martin Amidu wa hu bi wona busuam. Wa hu bi wa Ghana ada. What is someone making any utterance about Cecilia da pa case rather? It is because the special prosecutor is holding the throats of criminals and putting their fists to the fire of accountability. Enunti ena Akufo Addo nom akwa bribe no. So omra mejina bedwam ni ne ho sa enseminan. Enti ne ground so krampa o state wo ye friend say ne petition nim no. O kai kra it's not grounds one local standard. Eye baseless, eye bogus.
Ati kache kwame onya no mfa.
Hodu water.
Omfa petition.
Nyansa bia nim. Eye brofo and otie. Eno de I will give it to him. Say otie brofo. But sometimes cry no
otie brofo naide.
Otie brofo na nche so nyansa.
Obi krom kasa. We so ye de boy ho.
Eno brofo na wa chotro and I kan a. Ye no literature for no. Ye kan brofo na ye de. So akoyabeng. Ba wo kan de na mu na. Ben na wa yesi wa ben ye brofo no kasa na otro ne wa ben. But say we say open substance in the subject matter na. Then you don't even hold any substance.
You see witch hunting.
And your political witch hunting Akufo Addo num na akose na chie. And oh yes sir.
But enyanwa.
We say Martin Amidu was he not the champion of corruption in this country?
Oh, of course.
When it was Mahama, what is a bus branding? Martin Amidu is the first to write an epistle about it. Has he seen any such armed robbery that Akufo Addo who be that?
But at least today you trim as when they say
what is that?
And the new relationship. So
PDS only one any relationship. And not him how Akufo Addo behaves. Akufo Addo is the first person to ever have bribed or be a one per bribe aje e manage ye. Unim kwa be faso aje. One je obekum enti bia na life was under threat. So he took the bribe under duress. It is possible. It is possible, sir. Martin Amidu may have taken the bribe under duress. Because Osroso Mbekuno, one that be on him say Kwafoni Penekuno.
Yeah.
And he may have taken it under duress. And unti ena what this Sialete petition I say Franco a friend is saying
Kissi
Agyabeng. Na Martin Amidu on kan hu say Kissi Agyabeng a o sana de bia o papa panimu a enka wanyini a enka o se enka usua nyansa bobra na sebi odi bitete wo ma no Kissi Agyabeng aban we ti so na o investigate aban ni mu nipa a wo former minister for sanitation. Martin Amidu nche nipa no investigating wo aban we mu. PDS me tro letter come Martin Amidu no Wagadugu okan ya ka aduane odi na nopa e wo letter o tro bre me back mu e ka ba bia woda hotel kura woda ni din room number o tro e empane size nyina o tro wo letter nim
empane size on na their account
what tro ye na tell wo me email mu sese
be the actual letter dem
what tro ye Martin Amidu wanted to tell us exactly where he was and what he was doing.
Letter no way.
I have the letter.
Have the
letter. Now Fabrai, Kwame has the letter. I'm okay pano. What must is the internet that is disturbing me here. But I can still give you later. Where they say now we say nyen kwani better videos. So. Etino Martin Amidu edi Kissi Agyabeng ni hwehi akwaje parefo na ode eyeden ekodi ayi aden a okay say pam Martin Amidu na I sack myself no. Agana for nyina beta Martin Amidu achi say o Akufo Addo nom awe chante na pam na firi aban mu ne nyoma no ena ma Kissi Agyabeng ba ye no omukoye ni interview no so o Martin was being political and okika can say before Matami do. And a say no, if you say ono so ade wo kire we abeti ha me yi enya nwanwa say Matami do. E kire obetro me ho episode. On person obia be criticize no, but o person criticize you obia. What Matami do so we are one of the most reasons why Akufo Addo no me very corrupt.
How?
Yes, because where instead say waba yebebo atnasia say obe start say obe investigation about nyoma ekoso PDS ni nyoma no Matami do catch me say in a letter say you can even Google, it's on the internet. Google Listowell Matami do PDS, it will come, the letter will come. I don't know, me internet no I wanted to read a portion or catch me say only any basis media investigation about PDS. Now Kissi Agyabeng there, how does he get a basis? What hono as Matami do no? Ejuma be na ye Mahama Ayɛka, Harvard trained lawyer Ayɛka. And now two any scene so adan wo say na ne papa ne wo eye anuanom na eye danfo se anuanom na wono omu na nka wo no e wo se nka obu se ayi personal scores na wo the office no settle it would Mahama Ayɛka court wa bra na woni basis woni grounds and ye bo asem no tugu ye lawyer me boa asem na nya nyina so and ye bo asem no tugu ye say ho Matami do a e wo se nka wo de asem court nka wutimi carry wo ho ehu se asem a me de court yi ababa bo wo mu no wo de asem no court na nya se bia nim and na court no so me page asem no and no toto kole lagun nim
then they open letter to Matami do no
me de na open letter to Matami.
Yes, me be na network
and na ono so ne de no a reply to me. And at that time yeah catch a Martin say okrampo no emra na yerewa tro bibi fa de esi ukwan ne ho na yenye ho advocacy say Akufo Addo OSP law na waye no enim enti omon try na parliament and look at the law again
network
what I say. So I tried my best to get Matami to go to work, but as lazy as he has always been, and he is not lazy when it comes to say bibi fa Mahama ho bibi fa NDC for ho especially say Amaliba ti hey na say ebi Amaliba yakasa Amaliba bench Matami do he wants to prove beyond all reasonable doubt say ono so wa ben na wa ba betra Amaliba na ya ngono ono kra Amaliba on free Ghana Amaliba and some hunu sa no de Ghana ha eti me pese on the basis of the watro any OSP act no ye nyina ye nhwehwe ne nkrata nim ne musa say edien na a constitute for grounds of removal of special prosecutor the tosu biem senya political CJ no na Akufo Addo atro krata quickly e dia akoma no ono CJ no obi su petition that was the former CJ a petition Akufo Addo
$5 million bribe now.
Even before that.
Okay.
Who was that? Was it Tetechai? Tetechai who? There were people that petitioned the president about the removal of the CJ.
Yeah.
Why didn't he do what was needful? And as I say no, Omen who say Chrono Oma Bono, Omo pe Obia, Om de Nivesi ho. Na media debia no, me de masem esi se enekra no, ena omonye to me.
Emiu, minim network ni aye.
Bibia,
I used to me my personal data but
but nkwane
so obi a woti bia betima go.
So if you look at the way now in law ye wade bia ye frɛ no like particularizing say no Matami should have particularized the charges say and answer his grounds are stated grounds and no or per se yenyi Kissi Agyapong di meboa na wo kan sometimes omume ye mu omo kakra omumu omo ho na yen Ghana fo nso ye mu omo what trouble for na nche se woni nyansa ho
but or your well learned colleague
we sua de but oni nim de
with me sua de but no nim de
yes obi owo tumi sua de bebre ubusa na we sua de wotuma busa the question de obetumi ayi no but at the end how to apply the knowledge no
emu nyansa
eno the application of knowledge no and na enim die o and na enim die ontimi apply oye too petty asa akola bia otiwa say Amidu cross say Bawumia pa
okwan ben so no
asa omo pe mache me bo Amidu, you are not a repository. You can monopolize say that office no you create here because of you and now I will throw your weight about no. Stop that thing, stop that nonsense.
You waiting for waiting and somewhere list the world that Apoko did to their water to be money a year Martin Amidu. But they say you know so what they call say Kissi Agyabeng through or say a baseless and bogus. Now list over the some do around and not to that for a Martin Amidu. Because GCD so and our no so we don't subscribe or ya message say over subscribe no like now wa share video na ma for so enya bi na wa hwe wo so betimi a kire wadwen afa aye and some we nyina ho e wo comment box mu mo beti menka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.